Ocean, ocean, ocean,
I was stuck in a place that I don't wish on nobody. I was trying to get a lot of what came with problems, and that Glock was for the problems. All this pain, when the fuck will it end? When will joy come back again? I know I've been lost, been trying to find my way, been trying to do my thing, but these faces won't let it bang. I'ma make it bang, and I'ma make a change. If you thought that I could've, then watch me, man. I'ma psych 'em out, I'ma put it down. For all my people, they gon' be like, damn, he made me proud. And my daughters gon' look up at daddy and know he got the crown. Came up from the ground, now here I go. They can talk all that nonsense, but they ain't saying shit. So I just go, let them know they ain't ready for the shit I got though. I'ma play for the position and not let my head down. So if I ever go, just know my head was never down. I go round for round, I go round for round. I said I go round for round. Life is a revolver, it go round and 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 it go round and round. Life keeps going, world keeps spinning, and the hoes keep hoeing. See, this shit doesn't stop, so what you thought is where you dropped. All your knowledge on the plot, I swear I'm going out like Pac. Don't miss making a drop, but I miss all the cash. Fuck it though, I'ma make it though. Make a million though off this goody flow. With a bad chick and her bad friend, she probably bring another friend too. I'll dismantle any plans you have against I. Every day alive is another day survive. Feds rather see me locked away than to ever see me fly through success with hella change. Only thing guaranteed is that grade, but we gon' enjoy them better days before I leave away. Life ain't been the best, but it's gon' be okay.